want people to watch data instead of reading it. There is a simple way to visualize progress. Create a Fusion composition and switch to Fusion. Add a background node and connect it to media out. Add merge node and connect another background node to it. Set the color. Reduce the alpha value. Add an ellipse node. Right-click on any size parameters and choose expression. Link it to the second size parameter. This allows both values to change simultaneously. Disable solid and set the stroke syncness. Duplicate nodes and connect them sequentially. Change background color. Set the alpha value to 1. Reduce the ellipse stroke syncness. Set the length of the first circle to 0,2 and the second to 0. Add keyframes. Use the position parameter to define the animation starting point. Go to frame 30 and change the length of the first circle to 1. Go to frame 45 and set the final length value to the second circle. Open spline and smooth the animation. Add text node. Right-click inside the text field and select expression. Enter expression. This expression creates a counter from 0 to 85 over 40 frames. To learn more about features of DaVinci Resolve, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.